Okay, this is Brother MFCJ430W. In this case, the black cartridge is empty. Empty. Yes. So you have to open this cover, take out. Then after that, push this button. Then pull out the empty cartridge. This is no ink, without ink. So you have to refill. Make sure you refill the ink full with ink. Then after that, you push in and listen. Then after that, you have to close back this cover. And then press 1 for yes. After you change the cartridge, press 1. Then it's complete. This starblinkjet.com